That's right. So these are narrow gauge HO. So these are 1/87 scale, but they're really tiny and they've got really small, cute proportions.
Yep.
They actually run on. So in the UK, it's called
Yep.
009.
Yep.
In continental Europe and in parts of the US, it's called HON30.
Yep.
But they all essentially run on N-scale track. So it's 9mm gap between the rails.
Yep.
And we do actually have Pico makes. They make a specific track that has the sleepers or the ties to the exact right size that you need for this scale.
Yep.
So the sleepers don't look too small. So this guy's brand new release.
Little tram.
Pretty small, yeah. Little tram engine.
What's shown on the side there?
Henschel tramway.
Okay,
Oh, there we
yeah.
go.
Yep. So the camera's just here.
Ah,
Yeah.
so bring it in for a close look.
Let's see if I can focus it a bit.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's
Like
brilliant.
that.
That's really, really nice.
So the quality of these is really good. The detail's very fine, and they're actually made in Germany.
So they used to be made in China, and about 2 years ago they moved all the manufacturing in Germany. So it's actually made in German product.
It is now, yeah, definitely. And that's brand new for this year. We've been very excited about this one. And then we've got a very beloved locomotive here. Was the little Koppel, little German 040, very, very small. These things run really good given their sizes. They've got like quite a big flywheel located inside the cab where the crew would normally be, and that ensures that these things run really smooth and really quiet given their small size. And probably my personal favorite here, going to the American prototype actually, is this little Porter 060. So that's a wheel arrangement. It's got 6 little driving wheels. And I've got it hooked up to a Fiddletown and Copperopolis carriage, which we've got. That's based on a Carl Fahlberg comic series from the 60s and 70s, and it's been published into a book, and it's been published all sorts of places, really. But there's sort of a tribute to that, and it's sort of a perfect pair to a little locomotive like that. You mind if we look at the detail again on this? We can see
Sure.
Here we go.
Yeah.
There
So
we
it's
go.
just.
You can see how small this thing is.
Yeah, just in the palm of your hand.
It's got
It's
lights
quite a
and
typical
whistle.
sort of American look, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got all the classic characteristics like the big headlight and the whistle and the wooden cab, and it's got really wonderful proportions. And the great thing about these is that you don't need a lot of space, and you can run them around really, really sharp curves.
Yes.
So if you're worried about can't build a railway, don't have enough space, this is a perfect solution to that.
Yep.
And it's a big enough scale that it's easy to model in, and there's lots of stuff available.
Correct, because you can still use your HO kind of
Yep.
scenery and figures and buildings and
Yeah.
all that kind of stuff. Which is
Well, you could
really
make
good.
a really decent layout in just this cutting mat
You
area.
could. Absolutely, you could do that. And everything HO scale, buildings, trees, people, works perfectly for this.
Yep.
And you can make an entire train the length of a locomotive in
Wow.
some cases. So that's pretty cool.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So MiniTrains.
That's
So
it.
just came in last week, and these are some of the new releases. So very good.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.